Today you will be learning how to navigate the Accelerated Reading website. Before we begin, one thing you should be aware of is that you can only take quizzes here at school during the day. If you try to take an AR quiz when you are at home, a message will appear telling you that you are unable to take a quiz at home. This is just for school time. So let's get started. Let's choose a web browser and type in the web address that you see at the top in the address bar. Make sure that you type in the correct numbers because they are specifically for Seward Public Schools. Next, you will click on I'm a Student. You will see a student login screen. Here you will use your lunch number for your username and your first and last initials for your password. They do not have to be capitalized. Today you will practice logging in using an imaginary username and password. Let's practice logging in. Type in the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the username box. Type in the letters AB in the password box and click on Login. The next screen is the Renaissance Learning homepage. You will notice an orange box labeled Accelerated Reader. Click on it and you will notice the box at the top that says Find a Book. Here you can type in the title or author or quiz number of the AR book you would like to take a quiz on. Below the book box, you will notice top book ideas for you, nonfiction book ideas, and award-winning book ideas. These are just suggestions for you to consider when choosing books to read. So let's practice by typing in a title of a book. Click on Search. This screen gives you a picture of the book to make sure that that's the book that you want to take a quiz on. It also gives you specific information such as the author, the level of difficulty, the quiz number, and how many points it's worth, and a short summary of the book. On the right side of the screen, there is a box that says Take Quiz and View Vocabulary. We are going to take a quiz, so go ahead and click on Take Quiz. This page tells you what kind of quiz you're going to be taking, and we're going to be taking the reading practice, and it says recorded voice on or off. We have off, and then start the quiz. You will notice at the top here it says questions 1 of 5. That means that there are 5 questions. When you are done answering a question, a box will appear that says Next. Let's go ahead and take this quiz. Camilla discovered she was covered with stripes after she dumped a plate of lima beans in the trash. What happened when Camilla went to school? Everyone called out different shapes and colors to make her change. When Dr. Bumble brought in the specialist, they told Camilla to take one of each colored pill before going to bed. What did the environmental therapist do? She told Camilla to breathe deeply and become one with her room. Camilla was cured of her stripes when she, I'm going to choose an incorrect answer so that you can see what happens when we go to the progress screen. I'm going to say tried on her 43rd outfit. And you will notice this is question 5 of 5. So this is the last question. When you finish the quiz, it will ask you to rate the book by clicking on the number of stars you think it deserves. So let's see, I'm going to click on 4 stars. And this does not affect your score. And I will click on the next button. You will notice that your score and the AR points that you received are on this page. It says that I got 60% correct. That means I got 3 out of 5 correct. It tells me the number of points I received and the words that I've read. I can review the missed questions. I can take a vocabulary quiz, or I can find my next book. Let's go ahead and click on that. This takes me back to the page that we were on before, the Find a Book. I can go ahead and take another quiz if I choose, or I can come up here and click on the Progress button, and this will tell me my current progress for this marking period. This information tells me all of the number of books that I've read, the AR level that I am taking quizzes on, and the percentage of questions that I've gotten right. The bookshelf button, if I click on that, gives me a summary of all the books that I have taken quizzes on and the grade that I have received on all of them. When you are finished, you can come up to this area and your name will be up in this area, but for today we have sample student. So you can log off and it will take you back to this screen. And that is how you navigate the Accelerated Learning website. Happy reading!